Imagine a bright, bustling cafe. A customer taps their phone and the barista smiles and they hand over their drink. And picture that, by 2025, paying for coffee with cryptocurrency could be as common as using a credit card. The crypto market is growing fast, with experts predicting it could reach a value of 10 trillion, quadrupling where it is today. But what does that mean for beginners like you? First things first, what exactly is a cryptocurrency? Think of it as digital money, but unlike dollars or euros, crypto isn't controlled by a bank or government. Instead, it's powered by something called a blockchain technology, which keeps everything secure and transparent. Now there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but let's focus on the big ones you've probably heard of: Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. But why? Because it's like a safe place to store your money, especially during tough economic times. By 2025, Bitcoin's price might climb over to $200,000. That's because big companies and even some governments are starting to treat it as a valuable reserve, just like gold. But don't worry, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. It's currently $100,000 currently at this time. I'm not sure most people will have $100,000 to spare on a single coin. You don't have to have a whole Bitcoin. You can start with as little as $10. Ethereum is like the Swiss Army knife of cryptocurrency. It's not just money, it's also the backbone for apps, games, and even online art galleries. For example, it powers DeFi, or decentralized finance, which lets people borrow, lend, or earn interest without needing a bank. Ethereum also supports NFTs. You've seen them all: pudgy penguins, punk art, those digital collectibles you've heard about. By 2025, all this activity could push Ethereum's price past $10,000. So if Bitcoin is digital gold, think of Ethereum as the foundation for a whole new digital economy. For more context, take a look at what Tom Lee has stated about cryptocurrency and what we can see going into 2025.
We have recommended an allocation to crypto, including Bitcoin or Bitcoin and Ethereum. That allocation probably should be much higher in 2025 because the regulatory landscape is actually becoming more friendly. So I think Bitcoin still has to be at the core of someone's holdings. And I see Bitcoin getting to around 250,000 next year, but that would allow Ethereum, which, is around 3,500 now, to probably do even better. Ethereum could get to 5,000 or 6,000 next year. And I think this is also probably the year where there's what we call alt season, where there's things like Solana and other altcoins do extremely well.
How can I get started? Where can I buy crypto? Buying crypto might sound complicated, but it's easier than you think. One, you got to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Some like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These are apps or websites where you can buy, sell, or store crypto. Link in the bio. Two, you're going to create the account. Sign up just like you would for any other app. You'll need to verify your identity with a photo ID just for security. Three, you'll add funds. Next, connect your bank account or card. This lets you to buy crypto using regular money. Four, you're going to buy your first crypto. Choose the amount you want to invest. Remember, you can start as small as $10. Don't forget to store your crypto safely. Most exchanges have built-in wallets, but you can also use external ones for extra security. One reason crypto is growing so fast is because governments are starting to make clear rules. By 2025, we could see Bitcoin ETFs, crypto-friendly laws, and even companies like Kraken and Circle going into the public. These changes make crypto safer and more accessible to everyone. This means more people, families, students, retirees, your grandma, your grandpa can feel confident stepping into the crypto world. Here's the exciting part. By 2025, crypto could be a part of everyday life. Imagine using it to pay for your groceries, send money to your friends, or even buy a house. Sending money abroad, for example, could take seconds instead of days. Stable coins, cryptos tied to real currencies like the US dollar, make it all possible while keeping prices stable. What's next? Another cool trend is tokenization. By 2025, you might own a fraction of a skyscraper or a piece of famous art, all through token assets. This makes investing more affordable and open to everyone. And let's not forget about AI. Artificial intelligence is making crypto smarter, safer, and easier to use. From creating better trading tools to securing transactions, AI is reshaping what we see with cryptocurrency today. All this might sound futuristic, but 2025 is just around the corner. Starting now, even with small amounts, can give you a chance to learn, grow, and be a part of this exciting transformation. So what's your next step? Research, start small, explore the possibilities. Crypto isn't just the future, it's happening right now. And who knows, in 2025, you might be the one saying, I'm glad I started when I did.